Today, Mr. Bender's class is going to do a science experiment.
Our testable question is, can you separate a mixture into two materials without looking at it?
A hypothesis is a best guess.
This is what I predict will happen. If we put two materials together in a mixture, then we can separate them without looking.
I think you can separate them without looking.
I think you can separate them without looking.
These are the materials we need. Two different color marbles, two different sized rocks, vegetable oil and vinegar, several containers, and a blindfold.
I think you can separate.
Okay, you have a mixture of marbles in front of you. Do you feel the pan?
Yeah.
Okay, you have two different color marbles in there. I need you to separate those marbles. You have a pan here and one there. I need you to separate the marbles and put them, the red ones with the red ones and the blue ones with the blue ones. Okay? Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't, you guys have to be quiet. You have to be quiet, guys. Go ahead. Keep going. We don't have all day. Come on. Okay, we're going to stop for a second. I want you to take your blindfold off.
Do I just untie it?
So, look at your pans. Were you able to separate according to color? Could you separate it without looking?
No.
Why not?
Because with a blindfold on, you can't.
All right, Ainsley, in front of you, you have some rocks, different size rocks. Do you think that you can separate this mixture of rocks without looking?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and try. How are you doing this, Ainsley?
Because I can feel the small ones through the big ones.
So, is your prediction correct?
Yes.
All right, go ahead and take the blindfold off. Okay, what made this easy?
Because I was floating them all around. Because some of them feel bigger and some of them feel smaller.
Do some of them feel heavier and some of them feel lighter?
Yes.
Okay. So was this easy to do?
Yes.
Was your hypothesis correct?
Yes.
In front of you, we have a container. It's actually a quart size of. It has oil in it, corn oil, and it has vinegar. Now the rest of us are able to see that. Which is on top, class?
Oil.
The oil. The oil is on top because it's less dense or more dense?
Less.
It's less dense than the vinegar. So your task is to separate this mixture. I need you to use the spoon and try to separate the mixture. Put the oil in this container, this big one, and try not to miss because you'll make a mess. All right? Try to get the oil in that container.
There.
All right?
The oil.
Uh-huh. The oil is on top or on the bottom, class?
On top.
Do you think you're going to be able to do this?
No,
Why not?
because they're both liquid and I'm blindfolded.
I can't hear you. Why?
Because I'm blindfolded.
But you don't think you can do this?
I do.
Do you think you're doing it right now?
Yes.
Well, can you do it or can you not do it?
Yes.
Why?
I want to see.
What makes it easy for you to do?
Because I don't. Chicken.
All right, go ahead and take your blindfold off.
Good.
Take your blindfold off. Now, are you able to separate? Do you have only oil in there?
Looks like.
Okay, so how are you able to do that?
Because I have a spoon. Oh, because the oil's on top.
Because the oil is on top. So if you only take from the top, you can do it, right?
Yes.
So, all right.
My data tells me that when the texture, weight, and density are different, you can separate the mixture blindfolded. When they are the same, you can't without looking at it.